Good noon to everyone. Today we discuss about IPC, Instrumentation Process Control. Unit number 9, Frequency Response Analysis. માં જોઈશું આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ ઇન સિરીઝ. એના પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે એના બોર્ડ ડાયાગ્રામ અને ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ ખાલી સિમ્પલ જોઈ ગયા હતા. આપણે એને ડિટેલમાં જ ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. સમ ગ્રાફિકલી મેથડ ફોર અ બોર્ડ ડાયાગ્રામ્સ. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી ધ ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ ઇન સિરીઝમાં ધ એડવાન્ટેજીસ ઓફ બોર્ડ diagram plot become evident when plot these frequency responses. જે આગળ આપણે જોઈ ગયા ફ્રીક્વન્સી રિસ્પોન્સીસમાં સિમ્પલી ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ માટે ધીસ વન ફોર લો ફ્રીક્વન્સી કોર્નર માટે ટુ હાઈ ફ્રીક્વન્સી માટે જોઈ ગયા હતા. નાવ ધી સિમ્પલી ઇક્વેશન્સ પાર્ટ ફોર ડિફરન્ટ વેલ્યુઝ પોઝિટિવ અને નેગેટિવ માટે. બરાબર, એઝ સોન એક્ઝામ્પલ 16.3 the rules for multiplication part of the complex number is indicate that the addressable region for two first order system in a series in the product of the individuals for AR is equal to which is equation 1 by under root w square tau 1 square plus 1 in under root omega square tau 2 square plus 1 એની અલગ અલગ વેલ્યુઝ આવશે. Similarly, the phase angle in the sum of the individual phase angles for phi is equal to tan inverse in a bracket minus omega tau 1 plus tan inverse 1 minus omega tau 2. Since the attainable region is plotted on a logarithmic basis for a part of this multiplications of attainable region series and accomplished by this reaction for a logarithmic part on the board diagram. Okay, simply જે આપણે board diagram જોઈ ગયા હતા તેને ડિસ્કસ કરીએ આપણે. This one, simply this is a board diagram. Thus far is has the necessary part to calculate the attainable region part for a phase leg by direct substitutions of S is equal to g omega into the mass into the transfer functions for the particular frequency of interest. It can be seen from equations 16.3, 13 and 15 are the AR is the phase leg are functions of frequency. There is a convenient graphical representation of the dependencies on the frequencies that largely eliminates direct calculation part. This is called a board diagram and consists of two graphs for a logarithmic or a AR versus the logarithmic of frequencies and a phase angle versus the logarithmic of frequency. The board diagram will be shown in this chapter to be a convenient tool for analyzing control problem such as the discussed in the preceding sections part. The remainder of the present chapter is devoted to developing this tool and presenting board diagram for the basic components of control loop na basis પર જોયું. Okay, this is a board diagram. Now the continue part for these equations and also example જોઈશું આપણે. Since AR is plotted on the logarithmic basis for a multiplication part of the attainable regions, accomplished are the addition logarithmic board diagram. The phase angle are added and directly the procedure is best illustrated by this in an example. Okay, this is the example 16.4. Now the plot this board diagram for the system whose overall transfer function 1 by s plus 1 s plus 5. Okay, to put this from to first order system in series it is rewritten part for this unit 1 by 5 under root s plus 1 in under root bracket pi 1 by 5 s plus 1. The time constant r tau 1 is equal to 1 and tau 2 is equal to 1 by 5. Now the factor 1 by 5 is the numerator corresponding to the steady state part for a gain થશે કે નહીં થશે તે જોવાનું રહેશે. મેઇન પાર્ટ અટેનેબલ રિજન્સ છે ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1 by 5 ઇન અ બ્રેકેટ under root omega square plus 1 in under root omega by 5 whole square plus 1. Okay, hence for a log AR is equal to log 1 by 5 minus 1 half log omega square plus 1 minus 1 half log omega by 5 whole square plus 1. This is the finally equations part for a solution. Okay, log AR is equal to log 1 by 5 minus 1 half log omega square plus 1. So 1 half log omega by 5 whole square plus 1. This frequency is where AR1, AR2, AR1, AR2 are the ARS on the individual first order system with utility gain. The equation shown that overall AR is obtained on the logarithmic values. So corresponding by adding the individual ARS and a constant corresponding to the steady state gain thase ke nahi. Now the individual attainable regions must be plotted as a function log omega. This one. Which one is the plot to plot diagram માટે જોયું છે આપણે ખાસ. Okay, AR1 and AR2 are the ARS individual first order system. Each is with unity gain equations part for 16.22 shows that the overall attainable regions is obtained on a logarithmic coordinates by adding the individual substance and the constant corresponding to the steady state gain. The individual part ARS must be plotted as a functions of log omega rather than log omega t because of the different time constant. This is easily done by shifting the curves. Which one? For above graphic માં આપણે જોઈ ગયા એ પ્રમાણે. Okay, left to show that the commerce frequentially the false the omega is equal to 1 by tau. Thus the individual curve for figure 16.5 are placed so that the commerce frequencies fall at omega c1 is equal to 1 and omega c2 is equal to 5. These curves are added to obtain the overall curve. So note that this case the logarithms are negative and additions part માં જઈશું આપણે downward માટે. To complete attainable region part curve the factor log 1 by 5 and incorporated by plotting the overall curve as the attainable region 1 by 5 instead of AR. This procedure is usually more convenient as terms have also been indicated on a figure 16.5. The sum of the individual asymptotes give the overall asymptote which is the approximation to the overall curve. The overall part the slope the 0 below omega is equal to 1 minus 1 for omega between 1 and 5 and 2 above omega is equal to 5. Its slope is obtained by simply adding the slope of the individual asymptotes to obtain the phase angle. The individual phase angle are plotted and added according to these equations. The factor 1 by 5 has effected on the phase angle, phase rule, which approaches 180 at a high frequency basis. Okay, simply this is a graphical system on a curve basis. Okay, જેમાં અલગ અલગ વેલ્યુઝ આપી છે. This is a board diagram for a 0.2 by s plus 1, 0.2 s plus 1. Okay, તો ખાસ ધ્યાન આપજો. Which one curve? This 1 by 5 અલગ અલગ વેલ્યુ. This one, this overall income, overall symptoms સ્લોપ આપ્યા છે. Okay, omega versus નો છે. attainable region for overall part for curve, individual curve આપ્યા છે. Now graphically rules for a board diagram. અને ગ્રાફિકલી રૂલ્સ કયા કયા છે તે જોઈ લઈએ આપણે. Okay, before proceeding to a development part, for graphically rules for board diagram. Before proceeding to a development of the board diagram for other system, is desirable to summarize the graphically rules that were utilized in example 16.4 for consider the part number of system in series માં આપેલું છે each one તો up to n સુધી લઈશું આપણે where utilize example 16.4 consider a number of system in a series as shown in example 16.3 similarly part. The overall attainable region is the product of the individual ARS and the overall phase angle is the sum of the individual phase angles. Therefore, the log AR is equal to log AR plus log AR is up to log AR સુધી. So phi is equal to phi 1 plus phi 2 up to phi n સુધી component લઈશું આપણે. Okay. હવે n is the total number of system. Therefore, the following rules apply the curve and asymptotes of the board diagram. Now, the overall system માટે આપણે જોઈશું કે here is the by adding the individual for the graphical additions an individual AR that is above unity on the frequency responses. A diagram is taken as a positive and attainable region that is below for a part of the unity is taken as a negative one. Okay, the part is a negative. A convenient way to combine two or more individual AR curves is to use a pair of diverts to transfer distances at a selected value of omega. The overall phase angle is obtained by the addition of the individual phases angle. કયા કયા હશે તે જોઈશું આપણે. The presence of the constant in the overall transfer function shifts the entire attainable region vertically by a constant amount and has to no effect on the phase angle. And it is usually more convenient to include a constant factor is the definition of the ordinate. Okay, the rules will be the considerable. The value is in a later term. For example, let us now proceed to develop board diagram for other control system component માટે છે. ઓકે, અત્યાર સુધીમાં આપણે જોયા ધ પ્રોપોઝનલ કંટ્રોલ સિસ્ટમ ફોર ફોર્ચ્યુન સર્કમસ્ટન્સીસ ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન લોગ ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ સિરીઝ માટે બોર્ડ ડાયાગ્રામ જોયા બોર્ડ સ્ટેબિલિટી ક્રાઇટેરિયન દેન graphically rules for board diagrams. Okay, now simply last 2 points for a transient response phase margin magnitude ratio phase shift and open load based. Now the transmission response માટે જોઈશું આપણે shown by equations 16.13 એરની વેલ્યુ 1 આપી છે અને phi is equal to omega t છે. રાઇટ ડાઉન ધીસ વેલ્યુઝ ટ્રાન્સમિટેશન લિંક માટે. Now, this expression is omega is the radians 57.2958 is the number of degrees. Now, 1 on the radian, there is no need to plot the attainable region since it is the constant term at on a logarithmic coordinates. The phase angle appears as in figure 16.9 where omega t is used as the axis card to make the figure general. The transportation leg contributes a phase lag which increases without bound is omega increases. Okay. Proportional controller છે, open loop board diagram. ને ફ્રીક્વન્સી કેટલી આપી છે જુઓ, 2 ફેઝ એંગલ છે રેશિયો સાથે, મેગ્નિટ્યુડ રેશિયો. Okay, now these proportional derivative controller, the transfer function is the g of s is equal to kc in a bracket 1 plus tau ds. Simply આ ટુ ઇક્વેશન્સ તમારે ધ્યાન રાખવાના છે. ઓકે, so now chapter number 9 is completely over for a board diagram graphical system, the frequency response analysis basis પર. Okay, this is the first order in series માટે જ ઇક્વેશન્સ જોઈએ આપણે. નાવ તેના એક્ઝામ્પલ ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ કમ્પોનન્ટ માટે ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ છે, ગ્રાફિકલી બોર્ડ ડાયાગ્રામ જોઈએ. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ફોર સિમ્પલી 5.1 એ 5.2 અને 5n સુધીનું એક સેકન્ડ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ છે જે આમાં આપણે સ્ટડી નથી કરવાના, ઓનલી ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડર સિસ્ટમ. Okay, thank you.